Over 60? Losing muscle while you sleep could be a silent thread, and your nighttime snack might be the key to stopping it. While you sleep, your body is supposed to be repairing and restoring itself. Each night, your cells work quietly to heal, rebuild, and prepare you for the day ahead. Sleep is meant to be a time of renewal, when your body gets a chance to recover from the stresses and strains of daily life. But for those over 60, there's a hidden threat that often goes unnoticed. Muscle loss that happens quietly, night after night. It's not something you can see or feel right away, but over time, its effects become impossible to ignore. This silent thief doesn't steal your valuables. It takes your muscle bit by bit while you're unaware. It creeps in while you rest, gradually reducing your strength and making your body less resilient. Over time, this adds up, making everyday tasks harder and reducing your strength and stability. Simple things like carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or even getting up from a chair can start to feel more challenging than they used to. The culprit? Long hours without food while you sleep, forcing your body to break down muscle for energy. When you go to bed on an empty stomach, your body has no choice but to tap into its own reserves, and, unfortunately, that often means your hard-earned muscle. You might wake up feeling rested, but your muscles could be weaker than the night before. This gradual loss can sneak up on you, making it harder to stay active and independent as the years go by. The good news is, you can fight back. You don't have to accept muscle loss as an inevitable part of aging. There are simple steps you can take to protect your strength and vitality. The solution is simple and starts in your kitchen. By making a small change to your nightly routine, you can help your body hold on to muscle and even build more while you sleep. By choosing the right bedtime snack, you can protect and even rebuild muscle as you sleep. Foods rich in protein and healthy fats provide your body with the fuel it needs to repair and grow muscle tissue overnight. Think of it as giving your body a shield before bed, a shield that keeps your muscles strong. This simple act can make a world of difference in how you feel and move each day. The right snack provides a steady supply of nutrients, telling your body, no need to break down muscle tonight. Instead, your body can focus on healing and strengthening, just as nature intended. This small change can transform your nights from a time of loss to a time of repair. You'll wake up feeling not just rested, but stronger and more capable. Ready to learn how to keep your muscles safe all night long? Let's dive in and discover the simple habits that can help you stay strong, independent, and full of energy, no matter your age. The medical term for age-related muscle loss is sarcopenia, literally, loss of flesh. It's a process that quietly chips away at your strength, often without you noticing until daily tasks become harder. Sarcopenia is not just a scientific term. It's a reality that affects millions of people as they age, changing the way they move, feel, and live. It starts subtly around 40, with muscle mass slowly declining, and then speeds up after 60, making you weaker and more prone to falls or injuries. Everyday activities like climbing stairs, rising from a chair, or carrying groceries can suddenly feel like uphill battles. Sarcopenia isn't just about shrinking muscles. It affects your metabolism, balance, and independence. It can sap your energy, slow your movements, and even impact your confidence. The loss of muscle can make you feel less steady on your feet and more hesitant to do the things you love. Overnight, your body goes the longest without food, making it a prime time for muscle breakdown. While you sleep, your muscles are in a fasting state, and without the right nutrients, they can start to waste away even as you rest. But the rate of muscle loss isn't set in stone. You can slow it down. With the right habits, you can protect your muscles and even regain some of what's been lost. Simple changes in your daily routine can make a big difference. Think of your muscles like a favorite pair of shoes. If you care for them, they last longer and serve you well. Neglect them and they wear out faster. Regular attention and maintenance are key. Providing the right nutrients at night can help preserve your strength. A small protein-rich snack before bed can give your muscles the building blocks they need to repair and grow, even while you sleep. Many believe weakness is just part of aging, but you have more control than you think. By understanding how your body changes and what it needs, you can take steps to stay strong and independent for years to come. Recognizing that nighttime is a key battleground is the first step. It's a window of opportunity to support your muscles, not just a time for rest. The next is learning which foods can help you win. Not all snacks are created equal. Some can truly make a difference in how your muscles recover and grow overnight. You can wake up stronger, not weaker, by making smart choices before bed. Imagine starting each day with more energy and confidence. simply by fueling your body the right way at night. Let's look at the nutritional strategies that make a difference. With the right knowledge, you can turn the tide against muscle loss and reclaim your strength. Your muscles are counting on you. Give them the care and attention they deserve, and they'll support you every step of the way. The secret weapon against nighttime muscle loss? Casein protein. Unlike fast-digesting whey, casein is slow to break down, releasing amino acids steadily for hours. Found in milk and dairy, casein forms a gel in your stomach, feeding your muscles all night. This slow release keeps your body from breaking down muscle for energy while you sleep. Think of casein as a time-release capsule for your muscles. Take it before bed, and it works until morning. Instead of losing muscle, you're preserving it, and even building more. The best part? You don't need fancy supplements. Casein is in everyday foods. By adding a casein-rich snack to your nightly routine, you're hiring a guardian for your muscles. It's a simple, effective way to wake up feeling stronger. Let's see which foods are packed with this powerful protein. Your nighttime muscle guardian is closer than you think. When it comes to nourishing your body before bed, two of the best sources of casein protein are Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. These classic dairy options have been trusted for generations, and for good reason. Both are packed with slow-digesting protein, making them perfect for a bedtime snack that works while you sleep. Casein is unique because it releases amino acids gradually, helping your muscles recover and rebuild overnight. Just a small bowl of plain Greek yogurt or half a cup of cottage cheese delivers a powerful dose of casein, giving your body the building blocks it needs to stay strong and healthy. These snacks are light, satisfying, and won't leave you feeling too full or heavy before bed. They're easy to digest and gentle on your stomach, making them ideal for late-night nourishment. Plus, they're rich in calcium, which not only supports strong bones but also plays a role in muscle function and relaxation, important for a restful night's sleep. For the healthiest option, choose plain, unsweetened varieties. Added sugars can disrupt your sleep and counteract the benefits of these wholesome snacks. To add flavor and boost nutrition, top your yogurt or cottage cheese with fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a handful of nuts. These toppings add antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. The goal is simple. Aim for high protein and low sugar to maximize the benefits for your body and sleep quality. Make it a relaxing nightly ritual. One night, enjoy Greek yogurt with almonds for crunch and extra protein. And the next, try cottage cheese with juicy berries for a touch of natural sweetness and added vitamins. This simple habit supports your muscles and bones while you sleep, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and strong. Think of it as a comforting act of self-care at the end of your day, a small, delicious way to invest in your health and well-being. So next time you open your fridge at night, remember, your bedtime heroes are waiting. Enjoy them, and let your body reap the rewards while you rest. Just as important as what you eat is what you avoid before bed. Sugary and refined carb-heavy snacks, like biscuits, cakes, and ice cream, are the main villains. These foods spike your blood sugar, causing insulin surges that disrupt sleep and muscle repair. Poor sleep leads to more muscle breakdown and less recovery. Sugary snacks also block the release of human growth hormone, crucial for muscle maintenance. They offer empty calories, not the protein your muscles need. The result? Your body is left vulnerable, and muscle loss accelerates. It's like inviting the muscle thief in. Instead, reach for nourishing, protein-rich snacks. Shift your mindset. Your bedtime snack is the first step in overnight recovery, not a final indulgence. By avoiding these villains, you're investing in your future strength and independence. Choose wisely and you'll wake up stronger. Your muscles will thank you. Many enjoy a nightcap, but alcohol before bed can sabotage your muscle health. While it may help you fall asleep, it disrupts deep restorative sleep, when muscle repair happens. Alcohol suppresses the release of human growth hormone by up to 70%, crippling your body's repair system. It also interferes with muscle protein synthesis, making it harder to rebuild muscle even if you eat well. So, that glass of wine or beer before bed can undo your best efforts. If you do drink, have it with dinner, not right before sleep. Swap your nightcap for herbal tea or warm milk to support muscle recovery. This simple change can improve sleep quality and muscle health. Protect your muscles by rethinking your evening drink. Your body will recover better, and you'll feel stronger in the morning. Small choices make a big difference. Choose wisely tonight. Switching to a muscle-friendly bedtime snack is easy and enjoyable. Aim for 15-20 grams of protein, low in sugar, for a steady overnight supply of amino acids. Top picks: 150 g Greek yogurt with cinnamon or nuts, or half a cup of cottage cheese with berries or seeds. Prefer something different? Try a glass of milk, a handful of nuts with a cheese stick, or oat cakes with nut butter. Hard-boiled eggs are another portable, protein-rich option. Even a casein-based protein shake works. Just keep it low in sugar. Find snacks you enjoy and can stick with nightly. Consistency is key for muscle protection. Prep snacks ahead for convenience. Make your bedtime snack a comforting ritual. These small choices add up to big results. Protect your muscles night after night. Your future self will thank you. Losing strength with age can be discouraging, but you're not powerless. The fight against muscle loss happens at night, not just in the gym. Your bedtime choices set the stage for a stronger tomorrow. By swapping sugary treats or alcohol for a protein-rich snack, you invest in your health. Each night, you're banking more strength and independence for your future. Small, consistent changes add up to lasting muscle health. Think of every night as an opportunity to build resilience. Your body will respond to the care you give it. Make your sleep truly restorative with a simple, nourishing snack. Let this ritual remind you that you're actively supporting your body. Nurture your muscles through the night for brighter, stronger days ahead. The strength you build tonight will serve you tomorrow. Your future self will thank you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more ways to stay strong and healthy every day.